Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix Reddit premium not received after purchase. If you have already paid but your premium is not activated, this method will help you contact support and solve the issue. So let's get started. First, open your browser on your phone or PC. Now search for Reddit help and open the official website of Reddit. Once the website opens, tap on the three lines at the top right. Now tap on Submit a Request. Scroll down and tap on Purchase Help. Now scroll a little and you will see a form with Purchase Help already selected. Enter your email address. In the next option, you will see categories like Reddit Premium, Gold, Collectible Avatars, and Awards. Tap on Reddit Premium. Now select the option that says I purchased Premium but have not received it yet. Next, select your payment method like Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit card, or PayPal. Now enter your Reddit username. In the subject box, write a short title about your issue. Then in the details section, explain your problem clearly. You can also attach any proof of payment if you want. Finally, tap on Submit. Now the support team will review your request and help you fix the issue. So this is how you can fix Reddit premium not received after purchase. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.